XRP holders, this is the most important message you'll hear today. Something big is happening, and if you own XRP or follow my updates, you need to hear this right now. A major development has just come to light, and it could change everything. Your investments, your strategy, and even the future of XRP itself. This isn't just another price prediction or speculation. This is real, urgent, and could impact your portfolio in ways you're not expecting. If you're not paying attention, you could miss out on a massive opportunity. Or worse, make a mistake that costs you everything. There are key signals flashing right now, some pointing to a breakout, others warning of potential risks. But one thing is certain, what happens next could be the biggest turning point for XRP investors. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what's happening, why this moment is so critical, and what you need to do right now to protect yourself and maximize your gains. A major shift is unfolding in the world of XRP, and it's happening fast. Just recently, new developments have sent shockwaves through the market, leaving investors wondering what's next. Whether it's the latest regulatory updates, a game-changing institutional move, or a sudden shift in market sentiment, one thing is clear: XRP is at a critical moment. One of the biggest factors driving this urgency is the ongoing battle between Ripple and the SEC. While many thought the legal issues were nearing an end, fresh reports suggest the key negotiations are still in play, and the outcome could determine whether XRP explodes in value or faces another round of uncertainty. Some insiders believe that a final resolution could come sooner than expected, potentially opening the floodgates for institutional investors who have been waiting on the sidelines. But there's also the possibility of new hurdles, unexpected legal twists, stricter regulations, or even delays that could shake investor confidence. At the same time, XRP's price action is sending mixed signals. Some analysts are pointing to bullish indicators, with technical charts suggesting a massive breakout could be on the horizon. Others warn that we could see a short-term dip before any real upward momentum begins. The market is moving fast, and the difference between making the right or wrong decision could mean missing out on life-changing gains or watching your portfolio take a hit. So what does all this mean for XRP holders? Is this the moment that will send XRP to new all-time highs, or is there a hidden risk lurking beneath the surface? To fully understand what's at stake, we need to take a closer look at the potential opportunity ahead, because if the stars align, XRP could be gearing up for one of the biggest price surges we've ever seen. The question everyone is asking: could XRP be on the verge of a massive breakout? Some analysts believe that we are witnessing the perfect setup for an explosive price surge. One of the biggest reasons behind this optimism is the potential for institutional adoption. If the legal battle with the SEC finally clears up, major financial institutions, hedge funds, and even banks could start pouring into XRP. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies that rely purely on speculation, XRP was designed for real-world utility. Its ability to process cross-border payments in seconds at a fraction of the cost of traditional banking systems makes it a strong contender for mass adoption. Another major factor fueling the bullish sentiment is technical analysis. Over the past few weeks, XRP has been showing strong accumulation patterns, which usually signal that big investors are preparing for a price surge. Some analysts are pointing to key resistance levels that, if broken, could trigger a parabolic run. Historically, when XRP gains momentum, it moves fast. Just look at past bull runs where XRP shot up by hundreds of % in a matter of weeks. If history repeats itself, we could see a similar explosive move, especially if broader market conditions remain favorable. But what about price predictions? Some experts believe XRP could reach new all-time highs, while others have set ambitious targets ranging from $10 to even $1,000. The most extreme predictions, like XRP hitting $8,300, are based on scenarios where Ripple's technology is widely adopted by global financial systems and XRP becomes a key asset in the digital payments revolution. While that level may seem unrealistic in the short term, the fact that such predictions exist shows just how much potential XRP holds. The big question now is, will everything line up perfectly, or are there hidden risks that could derail this momentum? Because while the opportunity for massive gains is there, it's just as important to understand the dangers that could send XRP in the opposite direction. Let's break down the risks every XRP holder needs to be aware of. While the excitement around XRP's potential breakout is growing, there are still serious risks that every investor needs to consider. One of the biggest concerns is regulatory uncertainty. Even if Ripple reaches a settlement with the SEC, it doesn't mean XRP is completely safe from future legal challenges. Other regulatory agencies, both in the US and internationally, could step in with new restrictions. The crypto space is still evolving, and governments around the world are working on stricter rules for digital assets. If new regulations limit XRP's use or require additional compliance measures, it could slow down adoption and impact its price growth. Another major risk is market volatility. Crypto prices move fast and XRP is no exception. Even in the middle of a bull run, sudden price drops are common. Whales, large investors who hold significant amounts of XRP, can manipulate the market by dumping their holdings, causing sharp corrections that shake out retail investors. If you're not prepared for these swings, you might panic sell at the worst possible moment, missing out on the next big move. Then there's the competition factor. While XRP has a strong use case for cross-border payments, it's not the only project aiming to revolutionize the financial system. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, stablecoins, and even other blockchain networks are competing for the same market. If governments or major financial institutions decide to push their own solutions instead of adopting XRP, its growth could be limited. Finally, hype versus reality is something every investor should keep in mind. The idea of XRP reaching extreme price targets like $8,300 sounds incredible, but the reality is that such a move would require trillions of dollars in market capitalization, something that won't happen overnight, if ever. While XRP has huge potential, it's important to separate realistic expectations from overhyped predictions. Smart investors focus on long-term adoption, real-world use cases, and solid technical indicators, rather than just hoping for massive overnight gains. So with all these risks in mind, what's the best move for XRP holders right now? Should you buy more, hold, or take profits? Let's break it down in the next section. With so much happening around XRP, the biggest question right now is, what should XRP holders do? Should you buy more, hold your position, or take profits while the price is still climbing? The answer depends on your strategy, risk tolerance, and understanding of the market. If you believe in XRP's long-term potential, holding onto your investment could be a smart move. If Ripple wins its legal battle and gains regulatory clarity, we could see more institutional adoption, relistings on major exchanges, and real-world use cases that drive demand. Historically, XRP has shown massive price surges when momentum builds, and if a full bull market returns, holding could lead to significant gains. However, patience is key. XRP's growth won't happen overnight, and short-term volatility is always a risk. For those looking to accumulate more XRP, this could be a critical time to make strategic entries. Instead of going all in at once, dollar cost averaging, DCA, can help reduce risk. This means buying small amounts over time so you're not fully exposed to sudden price drops. If XRP dips before a major breakout, DCA allows you to take advantage of lower prices while still being positioned for potential gains. On the other hand, if you've already made significant profits, it's never a bad idea to secure some gains.